In this video, I'm going to explain in very simple words the difference between a pre-training and fine-tuning in machine learning models. Pre-training refers to a process of training a model with a proxy task. When we say proxy task, it simply means having a preset task which will actually help us in achieving the target goal of the model. Now, coming back to the pre-training phase, let's suppose we have a generic task of translating from English to French. You can train a base model for a generic task with millions of readily available training samples. This training helps set the parameters used in the actual task of translation. This model is referred to as a pre-trained model. So in very simple words, again, you just pick any base model and then you give that base model a huge data set. That base model goes through that data set and learn whatever is in that data set. When we say fine tuning is not generic. Fine tuning is process of training a whole part or simply a section of pre-trained model for a specific task. So instead of training a model from scratch, you can train a pre-trained model to perform a specific task with minimal training. This process utilizes the existing parameter weights of the pre-trained model to then fine-tune them to learn the specific task. So this is the difference between pre-training and fine-tuning. Fine-tuning comes after pre-training. So whenever, for example, you're implementing a new foundational model or large language model for your organization, first you will pick up a base model. Then if it is not already pre-trained, you will simply pick up a lot of um, data from various sources, maybe publicly available like Wikipedia or whatever, and then you will feed that data into that base model to pre-train it. Once it has been pre-trained on the publicly available large data set, then you will point that foundation model to your own company's data and fine tune it according to your own company data, according to your own use case or specific task. So this is what the difference is between pre-training and fine-tuning. I hope that this was helpful, and just to make sure that you understand, this is a very high-level definition. There are a lot of things involved, but I am just trying to make these concepts as simple as possible to get you started. I hope that this was useful. If you still are confused or need any further clarification, please ask in the comment section. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.